What's going on, guys, and thanks for tuning in. Fishing a new spot the other day, caught a couple fish, wanted to show you guys a video. Wasn't sure whether to post it or not, but we're going to post it anyway because I try to get you guys a video every week. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I was using shiners as bait, fishing a flooded creek, crazy current, and just kind of hitting slack water. Check it out. Thanks for watching.
There's something down there jerking at it. See what we got. We got a circle hook on here, but might be able to, he might be twirling around, might catch the end of it. Just give him a little snug pull when I feel like he's pulling down. You can tell something's definitely been eating at it. I'm gonna throw another piece of bait on here and re-up. Oh, there he is. Hey, hold on. There we go.
You know, I get.
Dude, I'm getting heck of a hit right here. I'm over here fishing it, man. I can't believe it. Hey, I'll call you back.
Alright.
Alright, bye. Got it. Alright, guys, so I don't know what we have, but definitely got something. And it looks like a nice channel cat. If I can pull him up here, I'm not about ready to try walking down there. He is going to be muddy. I literally caught this at a spot, guys, I'd never think I'd catch anything. Fishing a flooded creek, and I wasn't even going to come here today, but kind of glad I did. It's happened pretty quick. Oh, there we go. First fish. That's freaking awesome right there. Never would have fished this spot. And these fish right now around this time of year, they do like running in crazy currents and in cold water. You know, they don't freeze as fast as other bodies of water, your lakes and your ponds, and it makes sense. So I'm gonna toss him back, see if we can't catch some more. I'm not about ready to walk down this bank. He'll be all right if I just toss him. He's barely been out of the water very long. And he is good to go. You can tell that's a slick mess. That's something you don't want to play with. So if I catch a big fish, then what I'm gonna have to do, if I can't pull it up, I'll have to walk over there, probably lay on my stomach because I'm not gonna chance it, and get it out of the water that way. Ooh, oh, yeah. This is a rather complicated place to be fishing, but it seems to be producing a little bit. It's better than a lot better than I can say for most places. I'm gonna let him, well, let's see if I can pull him up here. Another decent channel cat. Oh. Try to get him out of that mud so you can actually see what he looks like a little bit. Right there in the corner of his mouth. Another fish. Took a little while in between. I've probably been waiting about an hour, but you know what? That is a good looking channel cat. And I'm gonna turn him back in the water. There he goes, he's just fine. Trust me guys, I don't like putting the fish back in the water that way. There's a degree that I would like to live. And walking down this slope right here is not going to help my chance of survival, because you go in there, you're good as gone. That water's way up, current's pushing through there. Now if it is a big enough fish, then that, you know, you're obviously not going to throw back because you don't want to bust that bubble in their stomach to kill them, then you know I will find another way to be able to get them back in the water. But until then, that's what we're going to have to do. Guys, I plan on getting out of here. It's about 20, maybe 23 degrees out here right now, and it's been brutal to me. So I'm going to put my poles in the car. I'm going to go home and get something to eat, and I'm going to go to sleep, and then I'm going to go to work. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it, the little bit of video that I did post today, and we'll see you on the next one. See ya! It's happened pretty quick.